Hello, Bloomy dear students and friends. Good morning to all of you. This is Suresh Bardwaj with the syntax. Syntax, the article omission, repetition of the article, part third. Okay, dear. Omission. So let us understand first what is syntax. Syntax, that means words, phrases put together. Words, phrases put together to form a sentence in any language according to the rules of grammar is known as syntax. In other words, you can say grammatically correct element of words and phrases in any language, in any language is known as syntax. Okay, dear. And article omission, where article is omitted. Okay, dear. But here in this video, you may learn here article not to be omitted. Not to be omitted. Okay, dear. Here it omission of article. Here in this sentence, you will find no omission of article. Example here, half a year. Just after half, a or an is used. Okay, half a year, half an hour, a article a and an. Here you see just after half it has been used, and just before prince, just before a noun, hour here, noun, and year here, noun, just before noun, after a half, a or an is used. Okay. And next example here, you see, she is interested in such a thing. वह ऐसी चीजों में interested है, रुचि रखती है. तो she is interested in such a thing. Such is always followed by a and ein. A and ein. How? You may see in these two examples, she is interested in such a thing. वो ऐसी चीजों में वो about interested है, right? Such followed by a just before noun. Here you see thing, noun. And next example, I have never seen, मैंने कभी नहीं देखा है such an accident in my life. मेरे अपने जीवन में ऐसा accident नहीं देखा है. तो here dear, now just after such, a and an is used. Okay, dear. And just before noun, you may see here a thing, noun, an accident, noun. Just before noun, you may see here, and just after such. So such is always followed by a and an. Okay. So here, dear, next example. So I would like to explain to you. My mother couldn't sleep in so cold a night. So cold a night. Next example, Brutus faced so furious an army. A and an. Again, I have used a and an. Here, dear, in these examples, in these sentences, you have seen a and an. Uses of a and an has been shown, has been given to you to learn. तो my mother couldn't sleep. मेरी माँ सो नहीं सकी थी. In so cold a night. ऐसी ठंडा रात में. So cold a night. So followed by a and just before night, noun, a has been used. Cold here. Look at this word, cold. And Brutus faced so furious an army, noun, you see, noun, it is noun, clear, and an article here, and furious. What does it show? Adjective. Cold My mother couldn't sleep in so cold. Cold adjective here, and furious adjective here. You see adjective. The just before adjective, just after adjective. So followed by adjective, and here night noun. The just before noun, article a has been used. So cold and so furious. The so followed by adjective, so followed by adjective, and just before noun, here night, here army, a and an is used. So if before adjective so has been used, in between noun and adjective, a and an is used. Okay, dear. Likely you may use in your writing. You may use these means a and an. So here, dear, you find in first sentence half a and such a and so a and an. Likely you may use so many other sentences. You may use in different sentences these words. You may use these articles. You may use in your writing, in your speaking, in your communication. Okay, dear. Now, so here in these sentences you find article a and o, a and an hasn't been omitted. The article a and an hasn't been omitted in these sentences. And you may also find no repetition of the article in these sentences. You may find repetition नहीं है, omission भी नहीं है, a and n का प्रयोग दिखाया गया है. Okay, dear, wish you all the best and better. Thanks a lot.